Hello and welcome. In this story, we'll follow a friendly character named Anna through her day. As she goes about her routine, greeting neighbors, grabbing coffee, riding the bus, meeting friends, and shopping, you'll hear her use practical English phrases that come up in everyday situations. Each phrase is natural, common, and easy to understand. Feel free to listen carefully and practice along. You'll learn how to greet people, order food, ask for help or directions, make plans, shop, express opinions, apologize, and say goodbye. Let's begin our journey through Anna's day. Anna wakes up to the gentle buzz of her alarm. She stretches and smiles at the morning light. Her phone shows it's already 7:30 a.m. She thinks to herself, "I should get moving." She slips on her jacket, steps out of her apartment, and notices her neighbor, Mr. Johnson, outside his door. "Good morning, Mr. Johnson," Anna says with a friendly wave. He smiles warmly. "Good morning, Anna. How are you doing today?" "I'm doing fine, thank you. And you?" "I'm great, thanks for asking. The weather seems nice, doesn't it?" Anna nods. "Yes, it's lovely. Are you off to work?" "Yes, I have an early shift today. Have a good one." "You too. Take care," Anna responds. She heads down the stairs, excited to start her day. Outside, the sun is bright. She decides to grab a quick breakfast at the coffee shop across the street. She enters the cozy place, greeted by the aroma of freshly ground coffee. The barista smiles. "Hello, what can I get for you today?" the barista asks. "Good morning," Anna replies. "May I have a medium latte, please?" "Of course, any flavor or milk preference?" "Just regular milk, please, and could I also get a blueberry muffin?" "Absolutely. Would you like it warmed up?" "Yes, please, thank you." Anna waits as the barista prepares her order. Soft music plays in the background. The barista hands her the latte and the warmed muffin. "Here you go," they say. "Enjoy your morning." "Thank you so much," Anna says, smiling. "Have a nice day." Anna sips her latte and finds a seat near the window. She looks out at the street. People pass by, hurrying to work or chatting with friends. Anna finishes her breakfast and checks the time. She realizes she has to catch a bus to the other side of town to drop off some documents for work. She steps outside and notices the bus stop nearby. The bus arrives, and Anna quickly boards. She taps her card and finds a seat. The driver greets her in a friendly tone. "Good morning, how's it going?" "Good morning," Anna answers. "I'm doing well, thanks." On the bus, Anna sees an older woman who seems confused. She is looking at her phone, then glancing around the bus. Anna decides to offer help. "Excuse me," Anna says gently. "Do you need any help?" The woman sighs with relief. "Yes, please, I'm not sure where to get off for the library." Anna nods. "Oh, I can help. That's actually on my way. Just stay on until the 5th stop. I'll let you know when we're there." "Thank you so much, I appreciate it." "You're welcome," Anna responds. A few stops later, Anna taps the woman's shoulder and says, "This is it. The library is just across the street." The woman smiles. "Thank you again. Have a nice day." "You too. Take care," Anna replies. Anna rides one more stop before getting off. She walks a few blocks to her office building, drops off the documents, and waves goodbye to her colleague at the front desk. Now that her task is done, she has some free time before her next appointment. Anna decides to walk around the neighborhood. She notices a quaint bookstore with a big display window. She enters, inhaling the scent of new books. The shop owner greets her. "Hello there, how can I help you today?" Anna looks around with interest. "Hi, I'm just browsing, but I'm looking for a gift for a friend. Could you recommend something interesting?" "Of course, what does your friend like? Mystery novels, science fiction, romance?" "She enjoys stories with strong characters and a bit of suspense." "Great choice. We have a new mystery series right here. Would you like to take a look?" "Yes, please." The shop owner hands Anna a book. Anna flips through the pages, checking the summary. She nods with excitement. "This looks perfect," Anna says. "How much does it cost?" "It's $15. "All right, I'll take it," Anna replies. She heads to the counter to pay. She hands over some cash and receives her change. "Thank you very much," Anna says. "I think my friend will love this." "You're welcome. Have a nice day." "You too," Anna responds, tucking the book into her bag. Her phone buzzes. It's her friend Jane. "Hey, Anna," Jane says over the phone. Are you free for lunch? Anna checks the time on her watch. Yes, I am. I'm actually nearby. Where do you want to meet? There's a new cafe around the corner on Oak Street. Do you know where that is? I'm not entirely sure. Could you give me directions? Sure. Walk 2 blocks north from the bookstore, then turn right at the big pharmacy. You'll see a green sign that says Oak Cafe. Got it. See you soon. Anna heads in that direction. After a short walk, she spots the green sign and enters the cafe. Jane is already there, waving from a cozy booth. Hey, it's good to see you, Jane says as Anna sits down. You too. How have you been? Anna asks. I've been busy, but I'm doing okay. How about you? I'm fine. Work is a bit hectic, but I'm managing, Anna replies. A server comes over and hands them menus. Hi there, can I start you off with something to drink? The server asks. Jane looks up. I'll have an iced tea, please. And for you, the server says to Anna, could I get a glass of water first, please? Sure thing, I'll be right back. Anna and Jane scan the menu. So many choices. The server returns with their drinks. Are you ready to order? They ask. Jane looks at Anna. Should we share something? Anna shrugs. I don't mind. The chicken salad sounds good. What do you think? Jane nods. Sounds great. Let's share the chicken salad and I might get a small bowl of soup. The server writes it down. All right, so 1 chicken salad to share and a small tomato soup. Anything else? That's all for now, thank you, Jane says. They return to their conversation. How was your weekend? Anna asks. It was fun. I went hiking on Saturday. The weather was perfect, Jane replies. What about you? I stayed home and watched some new shows. Nothing too exciting, Jane chuckles. Sometimes that's the best way to relax. The server comes back with their food. Everything smells delicious. Here you go, enjoy, the server says. Thank you so much, Anna replies. They eat and chat about work, life, and upcoming events. After lunch, Anna checks the time again. She remembers she has to pick up a few things for dinner. Jane decides to join her for a quick shopping trip at the grocery store. Let's go together, Jane suggests. I need a few items too. That would be great, Anna agrees. I need some fresh vegetables and maybe some chicken for tonight. They walk to a nearby grocery store. Inside, the bright lights and colorful produce section catch Anna's eye. She grabs a cart and heads to the vegetables. A store employee is stocking shelves. Excuse me, Anna says politely. Do you know where I can find kale? The employee points to the leafy greens. Yes, just down this aisle on the left. Thank you, Anna says. Anna picks out a fresh bunch of kale. She also grabs some tomatoes, onions, and a bag of carrots. Jane looks at the chicken section. Hey, Anna, do you prefer breasts or thighs? Anna thinks for a moment. I usually use chicken breasts for my recipes. How about you? I like thighs, but I don't mind either, Jane answers. Let's get breasts this time. They head to the checkout counter. The cashier greets them. Hello, did you find everything okay? Yes, we did, thank you, Anna says. Would you like paper or plastic bags? I brought my own reusable bag, Anna says, holding it up. Perfect, the cashier replies. They scan the items. Your total is $22.50. All right, Anna says, taking out her wallet. She pays and smiles. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. You're welcome. Have a great day yourself. Jane checks out her items next. Then they both exit the store. They step onto the sidewalk, bags in hand. Jane turns to Anna. I'm glad we got to hang out, Jane says. By the way, are you free next Saturday? I'm thinking of hosting a small dinner party. Anna smiles. That sounds fun. Yes, I'd love to come. Great, I'll text you the details. Maybe bring that new mystery book if you finish it by then. I've been wanting something new to read. Anna laughs. Absolutely, I'll lend it to you once I'm done. They walk to the corner where they usually part ways. Jane checks her watch. I should get going, she says. I have a meeting in an hour. No problem, Anna says. Thanks for joining me today. I had a great time. Me too, Jane replies. Talk to you soon. They hug and say goodbye. Jane heads left and Anna heads right. Anna decides to take a shortcut through the park. She notices a street musician playing guitar. The melody lifts her mood. She stops for a moment to listen. A passerby accidentally bumps into her, nearly causing her to drop her bag. Oh, I'm so sorry, the stranger exclaims. It's okay, Anna replies. No harm done. Are you sure? I feel terrible, the stranger says. Yes, really, don't worry about it, Anna reassures them. The stranger smiles gratefully. Thank you for understanding. Have a nice day. You too, Anna says. Anna exits the park and sees a small clothing boutique. She remembers her favorite jacket is wearing out. She decides to take a quick look. Inside, soft music plays and racks of clothes line the walls. A sales assistant approaches her. Hello, welcome. Can I help you find something today? Hi, I'm looking for a new jacket, maybe something casual, Anna says. Sure, we have some new arrivals over here. What's your size? I'm usually a medium, Anna replies. The sales assistant shows her a simple, stylish jacket. Anna tries it on. How does it feel? The assistant asks. Anna glances in the mirror. It feels nice. What do you think? I think it looks great on you. Anna smiles. I like it too. But I'm not entirely sure about the color. We also have it in a lighter shade. Would you like to see it? Yes, please. The assistant returns with a lighter color. Anna tries it on. This one might be better, Anna says, but I'm still deciding. It's a bit pricey. The assistant nods. If you sign up for our newsletter, you can get 10% off. That's good to know. I'll sign up then, Anna says, smiling. She takes the jacket to the cashier. Did you find everything you needed? The cashier asks. Yes, I'll just take this jacket. All right, that'll be $60 minus 10%, it's $54. Sounds good, Anna replies. She pays and accepts the receipt. Thank you so much. Thank you, have a wonderful day, the cashier says. Anna steps outside, feeling happy about her purchase. As evening approaches, Anna thinks about dinner. She has the groceries for a home-cooked meal, but she also remembers her friend Tom, who recently texted about grabbing a quick bite. She calls him. Hey Tom, how's it going? Hi Anna, I'm good, thanks. What's up? I was wondering if you wanted to grab dinner tonight. I have ingredients at home, but I'm in the mood to eat out. Would you like to join me? Tom sounds enthusiastic. Sure, I'd love to. Do you have a place in mind? How about that new pizza place downtown? I've heard good things, Tom replies. Let's do it. Meet you there around 7. Perfect. See you soon, Anna says. Anna arrives at the pizza place a few minutes before Tom. A host greets her at the door. Good evening, table for 2. Yes, please, Anna says. My friend will be here soon. No problem, follow me. The host leads her to a small table. Anna sits, scanning the menu. A moment later, Tom walks in. Hey, Anna, he says, taking a seat. Thanks for inviting me. No problem, I'm glad you could make it, Anna replies. A server approaches their table. Hello, welcome. May I start you off with something to drink? Tom orders a soda. Anna chooses water. Great, I'll be right back with those drinks, the server says. Tom looks at the menu, then glances at Anna. Any idea what you want to order? Anna nods. I'm thinking of a classic margarita pizza. What about you? Tom flips the page. I might get pepperoni, but the margarita sounds good too. Should we share 2 small pizzas instead? Anna smiles. That's a great idea. Let's do that. The server returns with their drinks. Have you decided on your order? Yes, Tom says. We'll have 1 small margarita pizza and 1 small pepperoni pizza, please. Excellent choice. Anything else? That's all for now, thank you, Anna says. While they wait for the pizza, they chat about their week. Tom shares a funny story about a work project. Anna laughs and shares her own challenges. You won't believe the stack of paperwork I had this morning, Anna says. But I got through it. Their pizzas arrive, looking fresh and delicious. Wow, this looks good, Tom says. Thank you, he adds to the server. Enjoy, the server responds. They dig in. The cheese is gooey and the sauce is just right. Do you like it? Anna asks. It's fantastic, Tom replies. I think I prefer this place to the old pizzeria on Main Street. Anna nods. I agree, the crust here is better. They finish their meal, feeling satisfied. The server comes by with the bill. Can we split it? Tom asks. Anna nods. Sure, let's pay half each. They settle the bill and gather their things. Thank you, have a nice evening, the server says. You too, Anna and Tom reply in unison. Outside, the sky is dark and city lights glow against the horizon. So, what are your plans for the rest of the night? Tom asks. I might just go home and relax. I have a bit of work to finish, Anna answers. How about you? I'll probably catch up on some reading, Tom says. Hey, thanks again for dinner. It was nice catching up. It really was. I had a great time. They walk to the parking lot. Tom unlocks his car. All right, he says. I'll see you soon, okay? Yes, let's meet up again next week, Anna replies. Drive safe. Will do. Good night, Anna. Good night, Anna says, waving as Tom drives away. Anna takes a short taxi ride home. She greets her doorman. Evening, Anna. Busy day? Yes, very busy, she says, smiling, but it was good. That's great. Have a nice night. Thanks, you too, Anna replies. She rides the elevator up to her apartment. Once inside, she flicks on the lights and sets down her bags. She glances at the groceries, remembering she bought them for dinner, but now they can serve as tomorrow's meal. She sinks into her couch and thinks about her day. She interacted with so many people. She greeted her neighbor. She ordered coffee. She asked for directions and offered help to someone on the bus. She made plans, went shopping, expressed her opinions, apologized, and thanked people. She ended each conversation politely. It was a full day, but it felt natural and rewarding. Anna smiles, proud of all she accomplished. Recap. Remember to use common English phrases in daily life. Greet people with simple phrases like good morning or hello. How are you? When ordering food, try may I have? Or could I please get? For help or directions, say excuse me, could you help me? Or could you tell me how to get to? When making plans, would you like to? Or do you want to join me? Always sounds friendly. In shopping, phrases like how much does this cost? And do you have this in a different size? Can be very useful. Express opinions and agree or disagree politely. I think, I agree with you, or I'm afraid I don't agree. Don't forget to apologize with I'm sorry if you bump into someone or cause inconvenience, and say thank you whenever someone helps you. Finally, to end a conversation, phrases like it was nice talking to you, see you soon, or take care are common and polite. Feel free to practice these phrases every day. With each use, they will become more natural and comfortable. Keep learning and enjoy your English journey.